Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thanks so much for tuning in for today's video. It is another product review video featuring, as promised, the last palette in the Juvia's Place mini palette collection, the Nudes. So that's this palette here. And these are the shades. And this is a look that I created using this palette. So if you want to get more information, see the swatches, and watch the tutorial, just keep watching. Okay, so at the same time, I went ahead and just swatched these on my hand. And I will walk you through each of these shades here. I'm going to scoot a little bit closer just so you can kind of see. There are a total of 3 matte shades in this palette. And here it is here. Here's my hand. So you have 3 mattes, this one, and this one. And you have 3 shimmers, which is this one, and this one. So yeah, for the most part, I like these. I'm not crazy about the mattes. As you can see, here's one of them. They don't show up that well on my skin tone. But those are the matte shades, and you can kind of see the shimmery ones there. So if you're really light-skinned, I'm not sure like if a lot of these will show up and work. And then too, if your skin tone is sort of is darker, then I would be afraid that maybe it show up a little ashy. But it depends on if you're using a base, what type of base, how you're applying the product. So it really does depend. So this is a very functional palette, and I think by having mattes and shimmers, it's really great. But it's just you have to be careful with some of these because they are kind of light, so you don't want to look chalky or ashy, or whatever term you want to use for it. So, however, overall, collectively, out of the palettes, I do like them. I like that they're pressed pigment, so they're very pigmented too. So that's another great thing. I noticed with this one, when I use the gold here, this color here, I did have some fallout, but it wasn't much. So that's something to keep in mind too with pigments. A lot of times when they're glittery, you can have fallouts. Just be aware of that. So yeah, so I guess, you know, being that I already swatched on my hand, I guess I could swatch it really quickly on my fingers for you guys to kind of see, because I feel bad that I swatched ahead of time. I'm trying to save time around here. So for this one, like I said, it's a shimmer. Oh, put my finger on the wrong one. For your middle, it's a matte color. See that? How it could potentially come off like chalky. And then there's that one. Then you have this one here, which is also a matte. It's more of a peach tone. And the colors are very pretty though. And then I'll swatch this one with my thumb, not your typical swatch finger. Oh, here we go. Can you see that? So, can y'all see that? There we go. That's that one. Let me kind of dust this off, swap hands. And then the last one is this matte brown here. So, like I said, you just want to keep that in mind when you're using those matte shades. But anywho, that is it for the swatches. I will have more pictures over on the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com, where actually I have all the swatches of all 4 palettes. There are more photos if you're interested in that. And yeah, let me stop chatting. Let's get into this tutorial. Please do me a huge favor though, while you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified for any future uploads here on the channel. And as always, thanks so much for tuning in, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, that is it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell so you get notified for the next upload. And let me know what you think about this series, these palettes, and if you own any of them. I'll make sure that I'll put everything down in the description box below. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Alright, well, I guess that's it for me, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.